Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you off how to change the shortcut key in Word to making the text bold. It used to be CTRL+B and now Word has changed it to CTRL+N. I hated it, so I prefer the old way, but I had some issues finding it how to change it, so this is the reason I'm gonna make a video for you. Well, let's begin. First of all, of course, we have to go to Word. So when you are in Word, I can show you off. It said making the text bold, use CTRL+N. So first it was CTRL+B, but that doesn't work as you see. And CTRL+N is to make the text bold, but I hate it. So again, now I'm going to show you how to change it. So first of all, you go on the left side, then you go downwards to options. When you're in the option tab, you will find this change the lint, that means here. Then you go downwards to shortcut keys and then change. Then you go on the left side in the category side, scrolling all the way down to all tasks. And then on the right side you have all the tasks. For the English people or for people that are having Word in English version, or the setting is English, you will have to go to bold, I guess, because you want to change the settings for making the text bold. But I'm from Holland, so in Holland it's called vet, making the text vet. So I have to scroll down to the vet. Let me find it here. So now here you find the new settings. And this is what we want to change. So you press on it, you delete it, then you go to this side. Then you will go to your what was it called? To your keyboard, sorry, and you press just the old way. There's CTRL+B for me. Well, it will automatically pop up. Then you have to apply. Then it says here, you close this, press OK, and then you will see it has changed to CTRL+B. So let me test it. CTRL+B, yes, nice. CTRL+N is gone. So that's all about this video. I hope I've helped you with this video, and yeah, have a nice day.